Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to make pom-poms the really easy and quick way, and we'll end up with quite a few pom-poms. I'm in the kitchen because I'm going to use a chair, and I thought I might as well have a cup of tea at the same time. I've got my sharp scissors and endies of wool. You might be lucky enough to have whole balls of wool, but this method really is brilliant at using up endies. Find the end of a number of your little wool leftovers and gather them together. I'll just let them all drop because the next thing is we are going to wrap all of these lovely ends around this chair. First of all, you need to start with a knot. Tie the end of your ends to one side of your chair. You'll find I'm a speed and efficiency person and not hugely tidy. It has to be a chair a bit like this, any chair with a space, because really all you need is the two sides. You could use a person who's holding their hands like this, as if they were you were rolling up a ball from their yarn. But if you're just yourself making pom-poms and your partner or hubby or whoever you have in the house is not interested, this is the best way to do it. All you do is wrap. And you can see immediately why I'm using up all the ends. It gives them nice bundles instead of going around and round once with one colour hundreds of times. You still need to go around quite a few times though. And I'm hoping to be rid of all these endies by the time I'm finished this job. Keep wrapping. I think I'll just call that a day because I'm getting mingled up with everything now. I've chopped all my ends and I'll do another set later. I'm going to tie this just to tighten the wool on the chair so that it doesn't all fall apart when I do the next job. So I haven't even tied a knot, I've just twisted it around. I think I'll use this 2-ply wool for the pom-poms. Have you realised the trick yet, everybody? So you tie a piece quite close to one side of the chair. I always go over and under twice because that seems to work a little bit better. Tie it as good as you can. And make a knot. And you may need to tie tighter with the next phase. So I'm going to do a few ties along this space. I'll do another one here, another one at the end. And what I'm going to do, thinking ahead, is I'm going to chop in between the spaces. Now, I'm going to do this again. Oh. Sometimes you're better with real string when you're trying to pull tight. But it's doing not a bad job. It'll get hidden within the pom-pom at the end anyway. Now you're going to see how it actually works. I'm going to cut, I'm using sharp scissors. You could use any scissors, but it makes your life a lot easier if you've got sharp ones. And we're going to cut halfway through the sides. So one. And another one. Now, I don't know if you can see how lovely that is, even though they're all very random pieces of wool. I'm going to tie around again just to make it that little bit tighter. You can really see it coming. Now, holding my long bit, I'm going to fluff it around. Can you see that? To get both sides the same, you need to, because as you can see, we've got quite a nice cut there and then a little bit wiggly on the other side. Hold your pom-pom and snip, snip, snip. What you're wanting is for all the bits of wool to be exactly the same length so that they create a nice round. And of course, the shorter you do it, the tighter the pom-pom is. Oops. Fluff it up a wee bit. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Oh, look at that. It's just a little bit cheeky. I mean, you can keep on trimming to your heart's delight. But there we have one chair pom-pom. The more strands of wool that you put around, the bigger the pom-pom becomes. So I'm actually going to produce 1, 2, 3, 4 pom-poms out of that, which can't be bad.